Hello viewer, if ChatGPT is available for your region but it still say ChatGPT is not available in your region, don't worry about it because this is a location or network detection issue, not a problem with your account. So let's see how to fix ChatGPT is not available in your region problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on your ChatGPT app. Tap on I button. Go to ChatGPT storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from ChatGPT app. Now go back and follow the second step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search ChatGPT app. From here, please update your ChatGPT app if it available. And please disable all VPN and proxy network from your device. So if you follow this 3 step, your ChatGPT is not available in your region, problem will be successfully solved.